Hi friends, so today I wanted you to be introduced to this ingredient, and it is called the foxtail because the plant resembles the tail of a fox. It's a millet which is really very high in minerals, protein and antioxidants. It helps in losing weight as well. It's got lots of fiber, lots of magnesium, and it's really good for health. And today I'm going to be making yummy foxtail millet porridge for you. Very simple and easy recipe. So let's get started. So first of all, we'll start by soaking the foxtail. So whenever you're making millets, just remember that they have to be soaked overnight for best results, because otherwise they take really long for cooking. And it's always better to soak it a night before and the next day you cook it. So we'll start by soaking the foxtail millet. It has to be soaked overnight. And after it's soaked, it looks like this. I'm going to drain the excess water. So let's start cooking. First, I'm going to heat milk. You can take full cream milk or toned milk as you like. And to this, I'm going to add the soaked foxtail millet and we let it reduce. Meanwhile, we are going to grind the cardamom. I'm going to use a mortar pestle. Okay, I'm going to add this to the porridge. We leave the skin behind. We just put the powder. It won't take too long, and you can add maple syrup to it or honey to it or jaggery to it as you wish. I'm adding maple syrup, just a little bit. And whilst this is happening, let's slice the fruit. I'm going to garnish it with fruit and nut. So this should be the consistency because it's going to cool down also and it'll thicken. So we'll let it cool and then we are going to plate it. So you can actually serve it hot or cold. I'm going to garnish it with some fruit, some banana and some freshly chopped or just broken nuts. Cranberry. I'm going to sliver some almonds, roasted almonds and hazelnut. That's it. And if you want, you can just give a little drizzle of maple syrup for that extra oomph factor. Wow, just look at that. Isn't it worth all the effort? Little effort, right? Makes for a perfect breakfast. I'm going to enjoy it and you do try it.